Hello everyone, good morning. At this moment, I want to share with you what is or who is Thomas Jefferson known for. Thomas Jefferson, a spokesman for democracy, an American statesman, diplomat, lawyer, architect, philosopher, and founding father, the principal author of the Declaration of Independence in 1976. Rather 1776, and the third President of the United States in 1801 to 1809. Thomas Jefferson, most known as President, the Louisiana Purchase doubled the size of the United States and is considered one of the presidential accomplishments. The Thomas Jefferson's education, philosophy of education, emphasizes mentoring and teaching children how rather than what you think or learn. The goal is for students to develop a love of learning in an atmosphere that fosters their natural ability to reason, question, explore, and experiment. There are 7 keys of great teaching in Thomas Jefferson's education. Number 1, classics, not textbooks. Mentors, not professors. Inspire, not require. Structure time, not content. Quality, not conformity. Simplicity, not complexity. You, not them. So here is the example. Here is the simple situation. A country had 4 states. This is 4 states. So, and 20 seats of House Representative. So, this is given, guys. This is given of 4 states. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what we call 4 states. So, all we have to do is to add each state. So, we add this one is equal to 11,882. Divide it to 20 sets. So, it will become, the result is 594.1. So, this is the first example of Jefferson's method. Here is the summary of Jefferson's method. Find the standard divisor, total population, divide it into number of sets. Number 2, pick a modified divisor D that is slightly less than the standard divisor. Number 3, divide each state population by the modified divisor to get its modified quota. Round its modified quota down to its lower quota. Number 5, if the sum of the same as the number of sets to be apportioned, you are done. If the sum is too large, pick a new modified divisor that is larger than D. Repeat steps 3 through 6 until the correct number of sets are apportioned. So here is the example. Use Jefferson's method to apportion the 25 sets in Hamiltonia. So here is the states. This is, I give already the states and the population. See, as you can see, there is a total population. So all we have to do, as I've said, we have to add. We have to add all the population. So it will be, the result is 237,000, which is, this is the total population. The total population is 237,000. So, we have to divide it into 25 sets. So, the result is 9,480. So, this is 9,480. This is what we call a standard divisor. This is standard divisor. We know that the standard divisor is 9,480, right? And the sum of the lower quotas is 20. In Jefferson's method, the standard divisor will always give us a sum that is too small. So we begin by making also the standard smaller. So let's try modify divisor D 9,000. So here is the population. This is the population. So 24,000, you divide it into 9,000, which is 9,000 is the modified divisor. So the result is, the total is 2.67. So this is the modified quota. The result of the population and the modified divisor is the modified quota. Put already the modified quota. 1, 2.67. Number 2, 56 divide 9,000 is equal to 6.22. 28,000 divide 9,000 is equal to 3.11. 17,000 divide 9,000 is equal to 1.89. 65,000 divide 9,000 is equal to 7.22. 47,000 divided into 9,000 is equals to 5.22. So, according to Jefferson method, all the quotas are rounded down. So using the standard divisor will give you a sum that is too small. Our guess for the first modified divisor should be a number smaller than standard divisor. So according to him, we need to round up down, not round up. So 2.67, it will become 2. 6.22, it will become 6. 3, 1, 7, and 5. This is the rounded down. We have to total all the modified quota. So 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 24, which is the sum of the modified quota. I mean, the sum of 24 is too small. So we need to try again by making the modified divisor smaller. So let's try modified divisor 8,000. So the same situation. We have to divide the state population, each state's population, to the modified divisor. So here is the result. So 3, 7, 3.50, 2.13, 5.88, and 8.13. So according to Jefferson, as I've said, we have to round it down, not rounded up. So we have to add. So the total is 28. The sum is 28. So now, the modified quota is 28. So, this time, the sum of 28 is too big, right? Because we are finding the 25 sets only. So now, the sum is 28. So it's too big. So we try again making the modified divisor larger. We know the divisor must be between 8,000 and 9,000. So let's try again the modified divisor 8,500. This one. So 8,000, the same as situation, guys, the same situation. We divide it into modified divisor. That that we trying to solve. So 24,000 divided it 8,500, each states 8 states, so that we can see the modified quota. Now here is the modified quota of 8 states. The same situation. Then only the sum is bigger, so we have to find the lower sum, so that we can find the 25 sets. Okay, now the same situation, we have to add 267,275 is equal to 25 sum, which is 25 sum is the result of the modified quota. So this time the sum is 25, so we are done, because alpha has 2, beta has 6 senators, beta and gamma has 3 senators, and delta has 2 senators, and epsilon has 7 senators, epsilon. So then the last one is the zeta, has 5 senators. So we just add this one, 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 25. Because why 25? Because why we are done now? Because we found the 25 sets. So now I will review so that you will understand. This is the population, right? Each state's population. So each state population, you have to divide the modified divisor. So the result of the population states and the modified divisor is the modified quota. That's the result. So now each state, we divide it into modified divisor. So here is, I put it already, this one 1 up to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will put so that you will understand. So this one 24, 2.67, 6.22, 3.11, 1.89, 7.22, and 5.22. This is the modified quota in each state population. So now let's try to another modified divisor, because only 24 sum, very small, 24 sum. So let's try 8,000, right? So the same situation, you just divide the modified divisor. So the result is 28. Now 28 sum is bigger. So let's try again so that we can find the result. We can find the 25 sets. That is the one we have to find out. So yes, the same situation, 25. So this is the result, modified quota. So rounded down. So the result is, you just add, then the result is 25 sum. So this time the sum is 25. So we are done. We are finished, because we get already the 25 sum, which is the sets of Hamiltonia. So that's it. It's very easy. So that's all our discussion for today, and thank you for watching, and God bless.